You drag yourself out of bed, exhausted. Coffee helps, but only for a while. At night, you scroll your phone long after midnight, even when you swear you'll sleep earlier. Your body feels out of sync, like you're living against your own rhythm. It's not just a lack of discipline. What's really happening is that your internal clock, your circadian rhythm, is out of balance. And once you learn to reset it, your energy, focus, and mood all begin to change. Deep inside your brain, in the hypothalamus, sits a master clock called the suprachiasmatic nucleus. It coordinates every process of your body, like when you feel awake, when you feel sleepy, when you should eat, even when your body repairs itself best. This rhythm is called your circadian cycle. When it's aligned, life feels smoother. When it's broken, everything feels harder. And in today's world, most people's rhythms are completely off track. Artificial light keeps us wired long after sunset. Screens trick our brain into believing it's still daytime. Late nights, skipped meals, weekend schedule shifts, they all send mixed signals to your internal clock. Your body doesn't know when to power up or when to shut down. The fallout? Brain fog, mood swings, low energy, even a weakened immune system. It all feels like you're fighting yourself because, in a way, you are. Think of explorers in the Arctic winter, where the sun disappears for months. Early expeditions struggled with exhaustion, confusion, and depression. Later teams discovered a fix. They created artificial sunrises with lamps. They ate meals at strict times and followed rigid sleep schedules. By faking daylight, they restored their internal clocks, even in endless night. Your life may not look like the Arctic, but the principle is still the same. Your body craves rhythm, and you can give it back. Research shows two main cues reset your circadian rhythm. The first one is light. Morning light signals your brain that it's time to wake, and darkness at night signals it's time to rest. The second cue is timing. When you eat, move, and sleep, reinforces your body's sense of day versus night. Miss these cues or send them in the wrong time, and your rhythm goes out of whack. Align them, and your body recalibrates. Here's how to bring your rhythm back. Step 1. Morning light. Within an hour of waking, step outside. Even 10 minutes of natural light resets your clock more powerfully than caffeine. Step 2. Consistent meals. Eat breakfast and dinner around the same times every day. This anchors your body to a reliable schedule. Step 3. Move your body. light exercise in the morning or afternoon signals it's daytime. Step 4. Digital sunset. 1 hour before bed, dim the lights and put away screens. That drop in brightness tells your brain to release melatonin, which is your sleep hormone. Step 5. Consistent sleep. Go to bed and wake up at the same times. Even on weekends, your body thrives on rhythm, not randomness. Struggling with energy isn't just bad habits. It's your body telling you your rhythm is broken. When you restore it, mornings stop being a battle. Your focus sharpens. Your mood steadies. Life feels less like forcing and more like flowing, because you are no longer working against your biology. You're working with it. Your body already knows how to thrive. It just needs rhythm. It needs consistency. It needs light, rest, and balance. When you reclaim your internal clock, you reclaim your energy and your life. This is Quiet Bloom. Build a better you, one thought at a time, backed by science. If this connected with you, subscribe, because your time is too valuable to waste living out of sync.